Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community. Today we're diving into a topic that many of us struggle with, decluttering. But instead of focusing on what to toss, we're going to talk about the 12 things you should never get rid of when decluttering. Let's get started. First up, sentimental items. These are the things that hold special memories, like gifts from loved ones or mementos from important life events. While it's easy to think they're just taking up space, they can bring joy and remind us of our cherished moments. Number two, family heirlooms. Whether it's your grandmother's jewelry or a vintage piece of furniture, these items connect us to our family history. They tell a story and can be passed down through generations. Coming in at number three, quality tools. If you have tools that are durable and reliable, keep them. They can save you money in the long run and are essential for home repairs or DIY projects. Number four, seasonal decor. While it might seem like a hassle to store these items, they can bring joy and festivity to your home throughout the year. Plus, you'll be glad to have them when the holidays roll around. And number five, books you love. If a book has impacted you or you plan to read it again, don't let it go. Your personal library is a reflection of who you are. Number six, important documents. Keep your birth certificate, tax records, and any other essential paperwork organized and safe. You never know when you might need them. And number seven, hobbies and craft supplies. If you have materials for a hobby you love, like painting, knitting, or scrapbooking, hold on to them. They can provide a creative outlet and bring you joy. Number eight, clothing that fits well. If you have pieces in your wardrobe that make you feel confident and comfortable, keep them. Quality clothing can be hard to find, and you want to have go to outfits that you love. Coming in at number nine, kitchen essentials. Items like your favorite pots, pans, and utensils that you use regularly should stay. They make cooking enjoyable and efficient. And number 10, photos and albums. While digital storage is great, physical photos can evoke strong emotions and memories. Keep those that mean the most to you. Number 11, fitness equipment. If you have gear that you use regularly or plan to use, don't get rid of it. Staying active is important, and having the right equipment can help you maintain your fitness goals. And finally, number 12, items with potential. This includes things you can upcycle or repurpose. If you have a creative idea for an item, hold on to it. You might be surprised at what you can create. So, there you have it, the 12 things you should never get rid of when decluttering. Remember, decluttering is about making space for what truly matters to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. What items do you think are essential to keep? Let me know in the comments below.